Welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina, and today we're going to be looking at some fashions from Mattel that I got from eBay and one new fashion pack I got from Walmart. So the first two fashion packs are from 1999. These are the fun dress fashions by Barbie. So I want to go ahead and try these on my Curvy dolls. I usually buy these style of clothes for my Curvy dolls, and I thought this was super cute, especially this one right here. It looks very retro-like. I'm not going to put on the shoes because I know for a fact they don't fit my dolls, but we are going to try on the dresses. So let's go ahead and try on these fashions. Before we get started, I just wanted to show you guys this Gap hoodie that I got finally from Mattel Creations, and I love it so much, and my dog's going to be wearing this all fall. I just really love this on her. I did a short and she had it on, but I didn't review it or anything, so I just wanted to show you guys what that looks like. It's so cute with the pockets, and it's really nice material, and I absolutely love it. This is it in the back, and this is how it looks in the back with the hood. Super cute. So let's go ahead and try on the fashions. The first outfit, super cute, and I love it. It has a tie in the front, and I love this. And it's actual fabric. It has pleats in the front. And then also this is how it looks in the back. And I love these 90s sets because they fit the Curvy Barbie pretty well, and I absolutely love it. Look at the flowers. And I love how the shoulders are, and it's super cute. And I love the yellow part right here, and I think it looks really, really nice. And where I live in the fall, it doesn't get cold like that, so I would definitely style my dolls like this in the fall because I just think it looks so cute. Even though it's like a spring type of dress, down here where I live it's always hot, so I just love this, and I can't wait to put my doll in this dress for an occasion or probably a doll party or something cute, or just photography in general, and I absolutely love it. It stops right perfectly right above the knees, and it's really good. So like if your doll sits down, she looks good in this dress. And this is why I love the vintage type of 90s dresses for my Curvies, because they're long enough, they're sturdy enough, and they look really good. So let's move on to the next fashion. The next outfit from the Fun to Dress collection from Barbie on eBay. So I really love this set. This is what made me buy this 2-pack, because it came with this and the other outfit. It's because look at the flowers. This is so retro looking, and I love retro clothes and real life and on my dolls. I think it's so cute, and I love the collar right here and how it's actually sewn. When you look at 90s Barbie's clothes and you compare it to clothes now, it's so different. The quality and the time they put into the dress is nice. You see that it has two different type of fabrics right here, and this is not printed on. It looks really good. I love it on my Curvy doll. It does have a little gap in the back right here, but I don't mind that because most times I'm taking a picture from the front, and if I did want to take a picture from the back, I'll just put some doll underwear on her, so it will go ahead and cover up this little section right here. But other than that, I really love it, and I love how everything's stitched all the way around. It looks so good on my doll. And then look at this in the front. It has like a little zipper, and it's actually functional, so you can have it go down like that. It's the details. You see that? That is so cute. And the pockets, let's see if they're functional. Yes, on the pocket being functional. That is so cute. I really do love this outfit, and I think it looks super cute on my doll, and I cannot wait to take photos of her in this outfit. So let's move on to the next thing that I got, which is this fashion pack right here that kind of like has a farm feel to it. So let's go ahead and try it on. So this is the fashion pack on my Curvy Barbie doll, and I do love it. I think it's really cute. The skirt is a little short to me in my opinion, but I really do love the top. I think it would look really cute on white Ken pants, because my Curvy doll, they do fit Ken pants pretty well, so I would pair this with a white pair of Ken pants, the top. And the skirt's pretty good. It's just pretty kind of short, so you see how that is when she sits. It's just a little too short, and that's the only problem that I have with this top right here. It comes with a pretty much like a fanny pack, or you can do it as a crossbody going across your chest. And let's see if it opens. So it doesn't open, it stays stationary. And then it comes with these boots with a cute little cow print on it. It does fit my Curvy doll, which is really cute. I do like these boots. I think these boots are really cute. I probably will end up taking off the cow print with some acetone and just have them as purple boots. because I don't know, the black with the purple is kind of throwing me off a little bit, but we'll see what I do. But most 9 times out of 10 I'm gonna take it off with acetone. But I really do, all in all, like this fashion pack. It's nice, it feels really good, it doesn't feel like paper, it's actually pretty soft and I like it. It's stretchy around the waistband, and then the straps right here are ribbon, and I really do like that. So let's see what else I got. So from eBay, I wanted to get my doll a jersey for football season, and fun fact, I am a Baltimore Ravens fan, and I learned from Everything Dolls that Burger King had a Happy Meal that had jerseys, and these jerseys should be able to fit our dolls. So of course I got a Baltimore Ravens jersey, you know, because I love Ray Lewis. So let's go ahead and try this on my doll. This outfit comes with this little stand that you can stick to the wall, and you're supposed to put the jersey on that. That's how it was when this Happy Meal came out. But this is how it looks on the doll. So this is how it looks on my Curvy doll. It was a struggle to put on, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I had to cut it in the back a little bit. So I know that I'm just gonna end up cutting it down the back and doing Velcro to put it on her for future outfits. But it does look really good. It has ravens on the front, it has number 86, and it has the numbers on the side with the football logo on the side. And I really love the details of these jerseys. They look very realistic. So what I'm gonna have to do is just cut down the middle and then just add a Velcro. I kind of hate that because it's gonna mess up like the back part, but it's okay because most of my photos are gonna be from the front, and it still has a number in the front. And I just matched it with a pair of Ken jeans with these white shoes, and it looks really good. I use Ken jeans a lot for my Curvy dolls because most Ken pants fit Curvy dolls pretty well. So I do like that a lot, and it looks really good. I really do love that. And I love the collar of it. I think it looks really cute. The only thing is that you're gonna have to cut it in the middle and then put some Velcro for it to close in the back if you're going to be using this frequently, because it was hard to get it over her arms. It might be a little different for a classic Barbie, but for the Curvies, that's what I would do. Barbie thing I wanted to show you guys, I won a contest for Super Impulse, and I was able to get these two mini Barbies, which are super cute. And let's get a closer look at the world's smartest Barbie, and these are the ones with the rooted hair. So let's get a closer look, and thank you at Super Impulse for picking me as your winner. So here's the first one. It is Barbie with the famous roller skates from the movie, and it's a different outfit that she's wearing. It's so cute, and look at her, she has little bangs. How cute is that? And look at the face screen. It's pretty good for a mini doll. And then the hair is nice and soft. And look at the print on the outfits. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of the Barbie and McDonald toys they used to have. I used to think those were so cute. And I had some of those in my doll houses. And I think those are really cute. So I am going to add this to that collection. It's so cute. And look at the little rollerblades. The little details in the rollerblades. So adorable, and I absolutely really do love this. And then her hair is tied up with an elastic right here, and this is how the head looks in the back. So it is a little bigger than the micro Barbies they do have in Super Impulse, but these are really cute if your dolls want to do photos of dolls that are kind of bigger, like life-size dolls. Let me show you the comparison. So compared to my doll, this is how the doll looks. So my doll can hold this doll as a doll for her to style. So yeah, it looks really good and cute. So next is the Western Barbie. She has this beautiful platinum blonde crimp hair. This is how it looks in the back. Her hair is more covered towards the back. And look at the details of her jacket. Super cute with this metallic top and shorts. And look at the boots and the details on the boots in the back. So cute. And then look at the boots on her earrings. So cute. And I love that. I think that is so adorable. And look at the face. They did a pretty good job. I really do love this. I think it's really adorable. So yeah, and then she also comes with a cowgirl hat that's separate. You can go ahead and put that on her. So it doesn't go on very easily. Let me see if I can try to do it better. This is the hat on her head, and I'm pretty much balancing it on her head because it's pretty loose. Like, it won't stay on her head, but you kind of have to balance it. I would try to use some rubber bands like around the hat and have it go under her chin. I think that would be a good idea for it to fit her. But just so you guys know, it's pretty challenging to get it onto the doll's head. This might just be my experience, but your experience might be different. So yeah, so that is it for my Barbie haul of all the things that I've gotten within this week from Barbie. Let me know if you guys like these Barbie hauls with the vintage outfits, because I do buy a lot of vintage outfits for my curvy dolls and I love it. I think it's really good quality and I feel like the 90s was Barbie's clothing at its best. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys want more of the vintage stuff I buy. If you want me to show it on camera. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Bougie Doll Life, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.